So let's go back to 2-unit motion. There's three. There's displacement, velocity, and acceleration, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So here we have displacement, velocity, and acceleration, except what? We have it in?
X and Y.
X and Y. So we need to find X by itself, X dot, X double dot, Y double dot. We always know this, don't we? This is always the case. So we can write that down. X velocity is 0. So whenever you get a projectile motion question in A to C, you can just write that down. And if you wanted to do like a dotted line, you know that Y double dot equals negative. Oh, and here it tells you that G is negative 10 meters per second.
And
right? The question will tell you, okay, whether we use that or not. So it'll be written in there. So we can go right 10 meters per second squared. That should be squared, shouldn't it? Because it's acceleration. Alright?
Engineering.
So is it negative G or it's 10 meters per second, but then we put the negative in front of it?
That's negative G.
It's negative. So it's negative acceleration because it's going.
But you've got
G
Y
is
double
bad.
dash equals negative G, but if you sub G in there, then it's going to be negative times negative.
No, because G is.
Okay. Yeah. Fair enough. Just.
So is gravity regular negative?
So don't think of it that way. Just
direction you take.
yeah.
He does.
So it's not going to be a double negative. It's just like it's negative whatever gravity they give you. So in this case it's 10. All right. So the gravity is negative. So don't think of it in that form. It's just this is the definition from like for everything. All right. And then we got these things, don't we?
True. Jack will wreck you.
So
He's putting his pen in
X
here,
dot
isn't it?
equals what?
Punch him in the face.
Don't punch anyone in the face. Cos 30, isn't it? Just straight from this,
You're not
isn't it?
qualified.
Okay. And that's going to be 40
So I think 30 is root 3 on 2.
And
20 root 3.
what is, we can actually solve this. What's sine 30?
1 on 2?
A half?
Yeah.
So a half of that is 20, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Right, and what's cos 30?
You usually just walk around saying
Root
don't
3 on
hurt
2.
yourself.
Root 3 on 2, so we're going to have 20 root 3, isn't it? Meters per second. So let's work on this.
No, it's not confusing.
So the displacement, we derive it, we get what? Velocity. And we derive velocity and we get what?
Acceleration.
Acceleration. So we've got acceleration, so what do we do to get velocity? Integrate. So let's do that. This is right. Let's do this though.
So just prove it.
So y dot equals, and it's going to be minus 10t, okay? Because we're doing it over time. And what do I have to put?
What do you mean? Like?
What am I missing here? Plus c. And I'm going to go plus c1 because we're going to have a lot of plus c's by this. Let's do the same with this. X dot e. That's why we do this. We're just going to get a constant because we're going from 0. You know, derive say 1. What do you get? 0. Okay. Cross. This is the initial velocity. So it's at t equals 0. T equals 0. Okay. Because this is what's happening initially. So at t equals 0, c2 equals what? 20 root 3 meters per second. And here we've got at t equals 0. We know that that is 20, so that's going to be 0. So c1 equals 20, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Therefore, y dot equals minus 10t plus 20 is our equation of y equals, and it's going to be minus 10 squared, so it's minus 5t squared over 2. Is that right? Raise power divided by that power.
Yeah, plus 22.
Yeah.
It's been so long, I just went to
20t plus c3.
Wouldn't C3.
We just know that we're 25 metres above the ground at the moment. Okay, but in terms of the motion, it hasn't gone up at all, hasn't it? Alright. At t equals 0,
Y equals 0.
y equals 0, because we haven't moved up at all, have we? We haven't moved up at all. It's just initially boom. Alright. So that's going to be, so C3 equals what? 0, doesn't it? Because that's going to all go 0, and then this is going to be 0. So we know that y equals just that thing there, minus 5t squared plus 20t. So that's our y. So we've only got one more to go, and that's x, isn't it? And where are we up to there? So, x equals 20 root 3. So x double dot will be 20 root 3t plus c4. And it's the same deal at t equals 0, x equals 0. So therefore c4 equals 0. So x double dot equals 2 root 3 t.